everyone, today I'm going to be doing my first ever NailBox unboxing by Iguana. This box is $30 a month and this is the February 2020 box. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about it. It comes with 5 nail products each month, I believe. We'll see once we open it up. I have some swatch sticks and my lamp ready. So if there's any swatching to be done, we'll do that. And yeah, let's just get into it. Okay guys, so like I said, this is the February 2020 nail box by Iguana. So I'll just start and open it up. These little paper things, so that's good, not plastic, so better for the environment. The first thing are these glitters. Let's open them up. Oh, I thought they were in like a whole container, but they're separate. So it looks like there's stars, diamonds, squares, rectangles, hearts, and circles. Let's see if you guys can even see that. So they all just come in silver glitters. So that's nice. You can use those. You don't even need acrylic or anything to use those. You can use those with regular gel or nail polish. And the next thing, these look like little stones. If I can open it. Yeah, they look like little gemstones. Let me open one up. Let's see, I think the biggest one's in here. So they're just little like gem pieces. And it comes in like this light green, purple, like a turquoise color, a light orange, like a cool like grayish blue, 2 different pinks, a red, a white, a dark blue and a light blue, and then more of like a off-white pearl color. So the next thing are these gems. Oh wow, I'm trying to figure out how to open this without, okay, I didn't want to open it and have it all fall. So it looks like there's just little pearls in here, little roses, little diamond things, and yeah, like little red diamonds. Yeah, and then these circle things that come in like pink and white or green, I can't really tell. So obviously the theme of this box is for Valentine's Day, which I really didn't think about until now. But once I saw these hearts is when I kind of thought of it, because the hearts and the roses. So it also comes with the heart glitters. It look like they're the same as the heart glitters from the packaging, a little bit bigger maybe slightly bigger or about the same. So they're the same glitters but in red. And then this big thing. Oh, these look like some stones. Let's see if I can get this in. I like that most of them come, so like they all come in little containers so that you can keep them all close together if you wanted to. Okay, so these, oh yeah, these are like little stones and they're all super unique. There's like an orange one, red one, mixed one that looks more like sand. Green, turquoise, very light pink, and then a speckled one, purple, this shimmery brown one it looks like. It's really pretty clear, and then the mixed one again. And then we have this NCLA Jealous Soak Off UV LED Gel Polish. So let's go ahead and swatch this. It says for professional use only, 3-step lacquer. Alright. LED 30 to 60 seconds, UV 1 to 2 minutes. So let me get a nail swatch out and my lamp. So swatch out and open up the gel polish. It's a very pretty light red. It does make me think of Valentine's Day. And paint that on. Honestly, it's a very similar consistency to just regular nail polish. put that in my lamp. Honestly, it looks pretty good with just one coat, but I'm still gonna add a second one so it can be to its fullest opacity. I really like this bottle too, honestly, the matte pink. There we go. And then I'll just cure that again, and while it's curing, I'll go over everything that was in the box again. So obviously there was this red NCLA Jealous gel polish. I'm trying to think, shouldn't there be a name? Can't tell if I just can't see it. Oh, Candy Apple Can. Candy Apple Can, that's the name. It's on the front. I'm used to most polishes being on the bottom or the top. And then we also got this little assortment of gems and roses and red diamonds, so perfect for Valentine's Day, along with these little red hearts, which are perfect for a Valentine's Day look. And then these stones, which I feel like you could do so much with because it comes with so much in it and so many different colors. It could be so many different designs, and if you were sticking to the Valentine's Day theme, you could use the red or the pinks. So they're super pretty. And then these, I think, are amazing. I think they might have to be put into smaller pieces for some of them. Some of them, like the little gray, they come in pretty small pieces, but like the green one I showed you earlier and this purple right here is very large, but I think you can make some really pretty designs with that. And then lastly, the first thing we went into were these, I don't even know what to call them now. Sequin sparkles or something? Yeah, that come in the rectangle, square, diamond, hearts, circle, and stars. And I'll show you what that gel polish looked like. So I'll just have to write down on the swatch stick what it was. Yeah, that's it for this nail box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you love nail art, I would definitely consider subscribing to this box for only $30 a month. For everything that it comes with, it's definitely worth it. I never understood how these brands and things do this stuff, because like, I just don't understand how they get everything for that price and then sell it for only 30 bucks a month. But I'm not a business person, so I don't know how it works, but it's super good deal for everything you get. This is my first box, so I can't really continue to speak on it, but I've seen other videos. But I will hopefully continue with these videos every month, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye.